Hello, welcome back to NCG Max. Today we are looking at a Max Olympiad problem. Find all real solutions ABC such that A root B minus C equal to A, B root C minus A equal to B, C root A minus B equal to C. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting the problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. More than 500 videos are uploaded. So let's solve this problem together. Given a root b minus c equal to a, b root c minus a equal to b, c root a minus b equal to c. So this can be written as a root b is equal to a plus c. B root c is equal to a plus b. C root a is equal to b plus c. Let us take it as 1, 2 and 3. So we may assume modulus cyclic permutation that a is equal to minimum of a, b, c. That is, if a equal to 0, then b plus c equal to 0. That implies a is equal to b is equal to c equal to 0. Now a, b, c greater than 0. Now here 1 minus 2, you will get c minus b is equal to 1 minus 2 c minus b is equal to a root b minus b root c. Taking root b common, a minus b root c less than or equal to 0. That implies c minus b less than or equal to 0, c is less than or equal to b. Second one minus third one, a minus c is equal to b root c minus c root a. Root c common, b minus c root a b minus, sorry, here root b c, here root ca is less than or equal to 0. B square is less than or equal to AC less than BC. That implies B is less than or equal to C. Hence from 1 and 2, we can say that B equal to C. A root B is equal to A plus C. Substituting in 1, A plus B is equal to B root B That implies a root b is equal to a plus c, a plus b is equal to b root b. So you are substituting here in the place of c b value, but here the second one, if you take a plus b equal to b root c, in the place of c you are writing b. So from this you can say that a is equal to b is equal to c. That implies a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 4. So here we are having the solution a b c 0 comma 0 comma 0 4 comma 4 comma 4. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching and see the Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching and see the Max Olympiad.